Linking. While working on the internet, you must have seen underlined or colored words and pictures with underlined or colored captions. They are actually hyperlinks. Hyperlinks, or simply links, are the most important part of the World Wide Web, www. Links tie web pages together in a website or across different websites. Hyperlinks are of three different kinds. Internal, it links one part of the web page to another part of the same web page. Local, it links a web page to another page within the same website. Global, it links a web page to the web page of other website. Let us discuss in detail how to link one web page to another on the same website. Anchor tag. To create a link or hyperlink, we can use the anchor tag A. This tag is a container element as it has an opening tag A and a closing tag close A. The href hyperlink reference attribute used with anchor tag specifies the destination page or the file where the link will take you to. For example, if the words page 2 are needed to be added as a link to an HTML file, the code will be ahref is equal to filename.html page 2 close A. To link to a page on the World Wide Web, href must have the complete address. Ahref is equal to http://www.google.com. Google A close. To link to a page in the same directory as the current page, href needs to have only the page name. Ahref is equal to newstock.html latest arrivals close A. To send an email, mail to is required before the address. Ahref is equal to mail to devtextile@yahoo.com. Devtextiles close A. Defining colors of links. The default color of a link is blue. The color of the link can be specified according to the action being performed on it. You can use CSS to specify the colors in HTML5. For example, style type is equal to text/CSS. A. Link, color blue. A. Visited, color red. A. Hover, color orange. A. Active, color yellow. Close style. The HTML code above specifies 4 colors in the following conditions. Link, standard link. This state shows that the link has not been visited yet. Visited, visited link. This state shows that the link has already been visited. Hover. This state shows that mouse is hovering over it. Active, active link. This state shows that the link has just been clicked. Note, A hover must come after A link and A visited, and A active must come after A hover. Text decoration and other text properties can also be used to change the appearance of the hyperlinked text. Consider the following example. Style type is equal to text/CSS. A link, color green, text decoration none. A v-link, color violet, font family Georgia. A link, color blue, font weight bold. Close style. In the above code, not only the colors but also the font and its weight have been specified. Let us take an example to understand how to create and add links. Let's create 2 web pages, polio.html and deafimmunization.html. While reading about the condition of polio in India, if you want to know the definition of the term immunization, you can click on its link. It will link you to the page which contains the definition of immunization. If you want to go back to the previous page, you can click the phrase, "Click to visit previous page." HTML, head, title, link to web pages, close title. Style type is equal to text/CSS. A link, color red. A visited, color green. A hover, color orange. A active, color blue. H2, color maroon. Text transform uppercase. Text align center. P. Color green, font size X large. Close style, close head, body, H2. Condition of polio in India, close H2. P. No stray polio case has been reported in the country since January 2011 owing to our AHREF is equal to defimmunization.html. Immunization, close A, programs launched by the government. BR. India has been officially declared polio-free country. BR. This is a major health achievement. Close body, close HTML. HTML, head, title, linking to web pages. Close title. Style type is equal to text/CSS. A. Link, color red. A. Visited, color green. A. Hover, color orange. A. Active, color blue. H2, color maroon. Text transform uppercase. Text align center. P. Color green, font size X large. Close style, close head, body, H2. Definition of immunization, close H2. P. Immunization is the process whereby a person is made immune or resistant to an infectious disease, typically by the administration of a vaccine. BR. Vaccines stimulate the body's own immune system to protect the person against subsequent infection or disease. Close P. AHREF polio.html. Click to visit previous page. Close A. Close body, close HTML.